Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to get this natural, no makeup look. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. Let's get it started. I always have to start out with a fresh and clean face. Lately my skin has been dry, so I've been using the 100% pure argan oil by Shea Moisture, and it's been doing the trick. Now I'm going to go in with MAC lip conditioner to give my lips some hydration. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi in the color W6. I refuse to believe that my tan is gone, so I'm gonna still use this color foundation. To blend it all in, I'm gonna be using the Real Technique buffing brush. To set the foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match powder, the same color W6, and using my powder brush from Real Technique. Now it is time for the brows. Yes, I'm using Anastasia Brow Pomade in Chocolate and the Brow Wiz in Auburn. Just gonna lightly fill in these brows, not too much. And then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight my brows, kind of give them that extra pop and camouflage some of the hairs that I haven't plucked. Now I'm blending that out a bit so I don't get any harsh lines. It's prime time, and I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Sephora Gel Concealer in Bright Future. Next, I'm going to be taking the NYX Matte Bronzing Powder and a blending brush to put that into the crease of my eyelids. L'Oreal Telescopic. Oh my goodness. This stuff is amazing. I've tried so many different mascaras because my lashes are non-existent, as you can see, and this stuff really works, and it's drugstore, so it's not as expensive. Hey, now I'm going back in with the Sephora Gel Serum Concealer in Bright Future, and I'm putting that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin for a little mini highlight, if you will. I'm gonna blend that all together with my contouring brush from Real Techniques. That's what that brush is from. I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match powder in N2. Now let's bronze. I'm going back in with the NYX Matte Bronzing Powder. This stuff is great. I love using it. It truly is matte, which is important. And for blush, I'm using MAC's color Prism. Oh, got a smooch from the boo. Now I've got my Sephora Radiant Luminizing Drops in the color Ultra Light, and I'm going to be putting this on the tip of my nose, on my Cupid's bow, and on the tops of my cheeks, I guess you could say. And we're blending that all out for a nice little highlight. I've got my e.l.f. stipple brush, and I'm going to use it to do a final blend all over the face. And one more finishing touch. I'm gonna do a second coat of mascara because you know the first coat ain't enough. You need a second coat to make the lashes pop, baby. And that is all, folks. This is the finished look. It literally takes me like 10 minutes. I love it. If you loved it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!